Venture capital. If you're watching this video, you're probably trying to raise venture capital for your company or maybe a friend or family member's company. And getting venture capital is difficult, but it's not as hard as people think. If you have a process, a method to the madness, it's always going to end up in giving a pitch to somebody. We're always constantly pitching. But do you know how to pitch? Do you know the process behind giving a pitch that's going to work? If you don't, that's why we're here today. I want to introduce you to a process that was created by a good friend of mine, Oren Klaff. It's based on science and not just what people think. It's really just a science. It's been scientifically proven that your brain absorbs information a certain way, and he follows a method that he's created called STRONG, S-T-R-O-N-G, and it stands for set the frame, tell the story, reveal the intrigue, offer the prize, nail the hook, and get the decision. See, if you follow this, you're going to have a hell of a good chance in getting those venture capital funds that you need to keep your either your company going or get it started. So again, I'm Philip Larman, and like this video if you like this information, or come back and let me know what you think of the information. And I wish you great success in raising your venture capital funds.